Welcome again to What a Time to Be Alive. The $78 million mega mansion Bradbury Estate is a regal masterpiece in guard-gated Bradbury Estates. Never previously offered for sale, sits on a promontory with unrivaled city, canyon, and ocean vistas. After more than 8 years of building, this enormous property with various structures was brilliantly realized by expert craftsmen with painstaking attention to detail, employing only the finest materials from around the world. Bradbury is routinely named by Forbes as one of the most expensive zip codes in America. Despite not being as well known as Beverly Hills, Bel Air, Brentwood, and other Southern California luxury hotbeds, it is a small, affluent city in Los Angeles County's San Gabriel Valley. The San Gabriel River, which flows southward through the valley's center and was named after the Spanish mission San Gabriel Archangel, which was founded in the Whittier Narrows in 1771, gives the valley its name. The San Gabriel Valley, which was once primarily agricultural, is now almost fully developed and forms part of the greater Los Angeles metropolitan region. Donald Abbey, a legitimate real estate tycoon who acquired his vast wealth by accumulating multi-tenant commercial properties in Southern California, owns this amazing estate. He has been working on his enormous mansion in Bradbury Estates, a guard-gated community, for the past 8 years. The for-sale property is situated on a bluff with spectacular city and ocean views. The house was created using the finest materials sourced from all over the world, which comes as no surprise. The Bradbury Estate, which has 7 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms, is almost entirely constructed of French limestone exteriors and flooring. With 40-foot vaulted ceilings, 6 large fireplaces, domes with hand-painted frescoes, Venetian plaster masterpieces throughout, and other exquisite details too numerous to mention. The main house has 2 master suites, a 2-story library, a chef's kitchen with pizza oven, a walk-in butler's pantry, and both a walk-in refrigerator and freezer. With 40-foot vaulted ceilings, 6 large fireplaces, domes with hand-painted frescoes, Venetian plaster masterpieces throughout, and other exquisite details too numerous to mention. The main house has 2 master suites, a 2-story library, a chef's kitchen with pizza oven, a walk-in butler's pantry, and both a walk-in refrigerator and freezer. A 15-person jacuzzi and a temperature-controlled trout pond with a 2-story waterfall are among the other outside attractions. The pond, which has a capacity of 10 lakh gallons and is the only one of its sorts in California, is stocked with rainbow trout and mallard ducks. It is surrounded by gorgeous cliff stone and is covered with perennials that bloom at various times throughout the year. A unique gravity separator with UV filters heats the water, which is then chilled for the trout by a 300-ton central cooling unit.